And welcome to Marlene Beauty, and this get ready with me. I already have my eyebrows done. What I'll do, I'll just take my NARS concealer in shade Amande dark 3, then I'll just clean my eyebrows. Eyebrows are clean. This is a primer. It's Guerlain, Hallo, and I'm filming in natural light, just getting light straight from my window with the 4K camera, and no, I'm not using any filters. So I'm using Charlotte Tilbury Deep Foncé 4. There, camera can focus, to just color correct around my mouth, since I'm going to use a skin tint. If you hear me breathe so heavily, that's because I'm nervous. This is a new Lancome skin tint. It's in shade 52W. I'm neutral, but they didn't have the shade 54N, so I ended up picking up 52, and the good thing, it's not so warm, so it actually works. And I'm just stamping it. I'm going to add, just to build it a little bit, but you can see this is the first layer. This is enough for me, but for the sake of the video, I'll try to build it in, so you see how it looks like. So this is how it looks, being built up. Then for concealer, I'm going to use a Westman Atelier. This is in shade Atelier D1. Using Givenchy powder in shade 5. This is all over my face. I'm going to use Guerlain. This is in shade, this is Guerlain powder. So this is how skin tint looks with the powder on. For bronzer, I'm using Dolce & Gabbana in shade 5. This is how, this is the shade of it. Bronzer looks like. To use this Chanel, I'm going in with this orange shade. I think I'll go in with this one, just as I'm just using same Dolce & Gabbana bronzer. There. Then I'm using same for my eyes. I'll go in with this shade that I used for highlight. And I'll, same brush, I'll just flip it on the other side and take the deepest, this plum shade, using this shade on the outer lid. And just blend it in like so. Like this silvery shade, I'll just put that. Just go in with the bronzer and then buff that one. And I'll go in with the eyeliner. This is from Smashbox, it's a purple one. Black eyeliner, I'll just Sweed lip liner. This is in shade Missy. This is Chanel lipstick in shade 4 or 6. It's our final look. So that's how we are looking. Have a lovely day. See you.